Imagine for a moment if the reality you've known all your life was in fact an intricate simulation. Would you be able to tell the difference? In the grand cosmic theater of existence, we often find ourselves asking, what is real? We trust our senses, believe in the solidity of matter, and rely on the consistency of time. But what if all these were mere illusions, carefully crafted pixels in a cosmic computer game? This is not a whimsical musing, but a serious proposition put forth by some of the most brilliant minds of our age. These thinkers suggest that our universe, with its galaxies, stars, and sentient beings, could be a sophisticated simulation. An elaborate digital rendering, indistinguishable from what we consider reality. Sounds like a far-fetched idea? Perhaps, but remember, once upon a time the Earth being round also seemed ludicrous. This may sound like a plot straight out of a science fiction movie, but let me assure you it's a genuine scientific hypothesis, the simulation theory. What if I told you that the universe, your life, and everything you know could be a sophisticated computer program? This, my friends, is the crux of simulation theory, a concept that challenges our understanding of reality. It suggests that we might just be characters in an elaborate computer game, unknowingly created by a civilization far more advanced than ours. Makes you think, doesn't it? Now, let's break it down. Imagine a reality, not unlike ours, with technology so advanced that it can simulate an entire universe, with its own laws of physics, chemistry, biology, and even consciousness. We, the inhabitants of this simulated reality, would have no way of distinguishing our world from the real one. To us, this is reality. Mind-boggling, isn't it? This idea isn't as far-fetched as it might sound. Consider our own technological progression. From the invention of the wheel to landing on the moon, from the first computer to artificial intelligence, our technological capabilities have grown exponentially over the centuries, and they continue to do so. If we look at the rate at which technology is advancing, it's not entirely inconceivable to think that a civilization, perhaps thousands or even millions of years ahead of ours, could develop the technology needed to create a simulated universe. It's a sobering thought that brings into question our understanding of existence itself. Simulation theory isn't just a product of science fiction. Renowned physicists and philosophers have seriously considered this concept. Some argue that if it is possible to create a simulated universe, then it's more likely that we are living in one. After all, there would be countless simulations compared to a single original universe. So, here we are, at the edge of our understanding, staring into the abyss of the unknown. It's a theory that pushes the boundaries of our imagination and challenges our perception of reality. It's a journey into the heart of the extraordinary, the bizarre, and the utterly fascinating. By now you might be wondering, is there any evidence to support this mind-bending theory? Stay with me as we dive deeper. The simulation theory, as surreal as it may sound, is not without its fair share of evidence and implications. Let's delve into the fascinating world of quantum physics and information theory, where our universe, with its intricate laws and patterns, often resembles a grand mathematical structure. The precision of these laws, the fine-tuning of physical constants, and the uncanny patterns found in nature, all hint at a simulation-like structure. Furthermore, the rapid advancement of virtual reality technology is another piece of the puzzle. If we, with our comparatively primitive technology, can create immersive, almost real digital environments, then a highly advanced civilization could potentially simulate entire universes, complete with sentient beings. Now, if we're in a simulation, what does this mean for us? For starters, it brings into question the notion of free will. If we're mere codes in a cosmic program, are our actions predestined? Or do we have a say in our destinies? It's a debate that has intrigued philosophers for centuries. And then, there's the nature of consciousness. If we're in a simulated reality, what does consciousness even mean? Are we truly sentient, or just complex algorithms simulating sentience? It's a question that not only challenges our understanding of reality, but also the very essence of our existence. The simulation theory also has profound implications for science. For instance, if we're indeed in a simulation, could we hack into it and change the rules? Could we, like Neo in the Matrix, manipulate our simulated reality? The simulation theory certainly forces us to question our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. It's a theory that doesn't just challenge our perceptions, but also opens up a universe of possibilities, redefining our understanding of existence itself. Now that we've taken a deep dive into the simulation theory, what are the key points to remember? We began this journey by questioning the nature of our reality. We asked ourselves whether what we perceive as real is indeed a physical universe, or might it be a sophisticated simulation? This thought-provoking question led us to the exploration of the simulation theory, a concept at the intersection of technology, philosophy, and cosmology. The simulation theory suggests that we could be living in a simulated reality, created by a highly advanced civilization. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of existence, pushing us to question our perceptions and assumptions about the world around us. We then delved into the evidence supporting this theory. We discussed the argument that if a civilization reaches a high enough level of technological advancement, it is likely to run simulations of its ancestors. We also touched on the idea that our universe seems to follow mathematical laws and patterns, a characteristic that might hint at a programmed reality. The implications of the simulation theory are profound and far-reaching. If our reality is indeed a simulation, it raises questions about free will, consciousness, and our understanding of life and death. It pushes us to think about our place in the universe and the possibilities of multiple parallel realities. But despite these mind-bending concepts, we must remember that the simulation theory, at its current stage, is still a theory. It's an idea that encourages speculation and discussion, but it's yet to be proven or disproven. So, as we conclude our exploration, it's essential to take away the curiosity and open-mindedness that the simulation theory inspires. It's a reminder that our understanding of reality is limited and constantly evolving. It encourages us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Whether we're living in a simulation or not, one thing is for sure: reality is far more complex and fascinating than we could ever imagine.